realized I hadn't explained, just in case anybody didn't know what Boxycharm is. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box service from the US, also available in Canada, possibly other places. In Canada, it cost me about $30. I also really like it, in case you're interested, for the add-on room. I've bought a couple of things from there now at steep discounts, so that's really nice, especially during the pandemic, because I love getting skincare for super cheap, and I picked up a couple of masks last month for like $10 each, and I'm really enjoying them. And then this month I got an eye gel cream from Perricone that's normally $120 for $10, so that's really nice. The products, from what I can tell, are all full size. I haven't had a small size product yet. They seem to always include a palette. That's all I know. Also, during the pandemic, it took basically about a month for this to get to me, and it spent like a week and a half in Montreal. That's all I know. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the thing. Thanks. Whew. Ooh, that glare is real. The lighting is weird. I'm sorry. Ooh, what do you want? Go away. Just got my Boxycharm, and I just want to really quickly show you guys. I'm currently wearing the lip color. I got really excited. So, one of the things with Dose of Colors, it's a lemonade gloss in, I don't know, it's written really small. Let's see if I can, maybe it's written on here. Nope, that's not helpful. Let's see if my camera can help. Normally, my camera can help if it will focus. Will you focus? Oh, I think it's, oh, there we go. This is how blind people do it. Strawberry lemonade. That's apparently this color. Looks like this in the tube is a gloss. I've never had a Dose of Colors product before. This is beautiful. It's a really heavy component, and the box is really gorgeous. So then also have, there's a thing that came up, there we go. This Glow Ahead Illuminizing Face Oil from Wander Beauty, which I put on my hand, and it smells like bath beads. I don't know how else to explain it. I don't know, it didn't come in a box. I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna have to look into this. It might just be a regular face oil. I don't know. But I thought the applicator essentially was really neat, and like you can see, like it's a really, here, I'll throw a little more on. So if you can see, it comes through this weird tip thing, and then I can capture that. See, it looks really highlighty, and then you just sort of, it kind of goes away. So I guess it's like a priming oil. I'm not 100% sure. It feels really nice. And then there's an Hourglass product, which I was not expecting, which is Pink Flash, the Hourglass VANISH Lash Highlighting Stick. And she looks like this. It's broken underneath, I will say that, so like you have to push it back down, but it will go back down. But it feels incredibly powdery, but in a good way, and it blends out. Like, it's so pretty. It's so, I don't know how well you can see that, it's so pretty, and then it just blends out so easy. And then it just looks like this beautiful glow. It's a little pinky. Really nice. Really, really nice. So I will definitely be using that. That's pretty fantastic. And it came with instructions on how to use it, which is nice. A lot of instructions. It's a stick. Put it on your face. And then this is a black mascara, like a black lash primer from BLINC. It really stresses that it's a black lash primer. I'm a little loath to open this because BLINC is a tubing mascara, but it also doesn't feel like it's really, I don't know, it didn't come in a box or anything. Beautiful metal tube, and oh, well, that's different. Yeah. So I haven't tried BLINC mascaras before, but I will definitely give that a try. At best, I'm hoping it's just essentially a tubing mascara, which I wouldn't be mad at, because if you're very squinty like me, they're very waterproof. But I will give that a go. And then finally, because I guess every Boxycharm comes with a palette, regardless of what you say. This one came with Beauty Creations CALI CHIC, which does not describe the shades. It's a nice sized palette. Comes with a mirror, which is lovely, and the plastic, which I'm now going to remove. And then these 9 colors, which I don't know how true those are picking up. Gonna check it out. See what the description says. It's on their website, which means it is still available. May contain lots of terrible things. This is $14.99. Again, I didn't get a card. Not tested on animals, which is nice. Do we have shade descriptions? No. And this is on their actual website, so. Sun-kissed glow, blah, 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 combination of. Well, what's really interesting is on Walmart Canada, it's $28. So on their website, it is only $14.99. Oh, sorry, $25. Nope. Again, no shade descriptions. I think this is something I'm really gonna start calling out, because if you have very poor vision, or if you are like me, completely colorblind, I need shade descriptions. My favorite resource for those, especially on like upper, like high-end stuff, is Temptalia, and she's really good at telling you how to influencer. I mean, you're describing it. That's not the shade description. I'm apparently trying for a sun-kissed glow. Doing a combination of matte and shimmers. I mean, I'm going to use it regardless. I'm just always very curious to see if... No. Especially after the palette last month, when I thought it looked nice and neutral, and it was like, no, it's just my eyes. Anyway, there's a little bit of that oil and stuff on my hand. So let's, oh, I will use my other hand. I'm going to go with a matte. I think that's matte. Yeah, it's matte. This one that looks like it could be either, like maybe it's a satin. It's a satin. I'm going to go for, oh, this one called Tan Lines. That looks really gorgeous. And this one called Sail, because she, yeah. Oh. 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 Those are all really soft. So I literally just, meh. And then, oh my god, I want you to see these on my fingers, because if these don't apply like that, I'm going to be real sad. So that's Sail, and I mean, a little smoothing, but Jesus. God damn. That's Tan Lines. Ooh. Oh yeah. And that's Malibu. Right there. It shows up on camera. And then that one, I don't know if you can see that, because I can't see it because my eyes are broken, called Venice. Oh wow. Oh, Tan Lines. Again, I'm going to use it. Not sure what it is. And that's a little bit of cruelty. But this Laguna Beach looks like probably like a warm brown, or sorry, just Laguna. And then Beach Babe, Sunset. This is a beautiful palette. That's a really nice size. Honestly, I thought I was going to be annoyed by getting another palette, but actually this is really nice. That Tan Lines one is beautiful, and that Sail one is just, like, they're just so buttery. Actually, I want to see if I want to soften the edges. How does that? Oh, blends pretty well. Doesn't blend away too badly. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Anyway, now I'm covered in filth, and I'm gonna sign off by saying, ooh, actually I've had this lip gloss. It's a little sticky. It's a little sticky, but it's like, it's not like stringy. I like the color. It's very moisturizing. It's a little bit like, I don't know what's in there, but yeah. No, I like that lip gloss. Damn. Second one, still really happy. First Wonder Beauty, which is interesting. I would probably just put that oil all over my face. I think that's what I'll do. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Okay, bye.